بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد آله وصحبه وسلم. We are now on the second Wednesday of this class doing the dua, the Radiant Invocations section 2. Radiant Invocations section 2. So we're going to go through where I'm going to read, recite, pronunciate the dua and the meaning of it. Okay? Inshallah you have time to memorize this and you can watch this recording. The first of the section 2 says, Rabbana atina fid dunya hasana. So I want you to make some notes as we go through. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasana wa fil akhirati hasana wa qina adhab an-nar. Make the note on adhab an-nar. This translates to the following, and I wrote it under it. O Allah, give us the good of this world and the next, and protect us from the fire. There are some Muslims, they don't like to talk about hellfire. They don't like to mention it. I'm not of that opinion. This is a very important thing for us to always think about. Is hell or hellfire or Jahannam or not? And this is an important thing to seek refuge from, because Allah Ta'ala inshallah will protect us if we ask for it. So, Rabbana atina fid dunya hasana وَفِي الْآخِرَةِ حَسَنَةً وَقِنَا عَذَابَ النَّارِ. Some of you that are praying witr, this also suffices as a dua for witr. Okay? This is a dua that also could be read anytime in your worship, whatever you're doing. It's a very good dua to make for all general things. What does the good mean? رَبَّنَا آتِنَا فِي الدُّنْيَا حَسَنَةً. Give us good. Give us hasana. Give us good things. Some scholars say that means knowledge. Okay, knowledge is the most important thing that you can get in this world. It has every good of this world, inshallah, included in it. The second line reads, Allahumma inni as'aluka al-jannah wa na'udhu bika minan nar. This could be said right on the side of it 3 times. As you read this dua, this part of it could be read 3 times. It is said in a hadith, whoever asks for Jannah 3 times, Jannah is theirs, paradise. And whoever asks Allah to protect them from the fire 3 times, inshallah Allah will protect you from the fire. This is why it's good to read this dua. O Allah, I ask you for Jannah or paradise, I seek refuge from the fire. How many times? 3 times. So let's read this part together. Allahumma inni as'aluka al-jannah wa na'udhu bika minan nar. The third line and last line reads, Allahumma inni as'aluka. Notice these are repeated. Allahumma inni as'aluka, which means, O my Lord, O Allah, I ask you. Inni means me, I. As'aluka means I'm asking you. As'aluka al-afiya. That's the ayn there. Afiyata fid dunya. Fid dunya means in this world. Fid dunya wal akhirah, and in the next world. So Allahumma inni as'aluka al-afiyata fid dunya wal akhirah. I ask you for well-being in this world and the next. The ulama and the scholars, they say afiya means all general good well-being, good health, protection of faith, righteousness, protection, just having good things, Allah protecting you from things, being sound, protected. All of that has the meaning of afiya. Okay? So whenever you want to ask Allah for something, ask Him for afiya. Allahumma inni as'aluka al-afiyata fid dunya wal akhirah. In this world and the next. In this world, because you'll be protected and living well. In the hereafter, because it includes protection and from the hardships of the Day of Judgment, from the hellfire, and from all those other things. These 3 are to be added to section 1. So the du'as, all these du'as will be memorized in the order. Okay? So we'll have it in the order. Once I print this next week, I'll bring next week for you the whole Arabic. It'll be from the beginning to the end of how the thing will be. Any questions on that? Very short. That's section 2. Inshallah, work on the memorization of it. Now at the end, we'll just do a quick recital of the 3. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. اللهم إني أسألك الجنة ونعوذ بك من النار. اللهم إني أسألك العافية في الدنيا والآخرة. Those are the new ones. Section 2, Radiant Invocations, Wednesday class. Assalamu alaikum.